Good morning, my dear students. We're gonna complete here my topic about integration by parts. We will take more examples. The first example number 1, find the integral of x squared sine x dx. We said that the first step is to let u, the algebraic expression, which is x squared, because it comes first in the word let, and then the derivative of u is du equal 2x dx. The dv will be the other part of the question, which is sine x dx, because it's trig function here. The integral here in this part, the integral of dv is v, and the integral of sine x, which is cosine x. The integral here, of sine x, the integral of sine x dx, integral of this side, the right hand side, is equal to the integral of sine x is equal to negative cosine x, and then we will substitute in the formula of integration by part uv minus the integral of v du equal the u, which is x squared, times the v, which is negative cosine x. So we will write first negative x squared negative, let's do it here, let's erase this part again, and we will write it as negative x squared, which is u. U is x squared, but because v is negative cosine x, so it's a negative x squared cosine x. It's better to write it in this order. The integral of v, which is negative cosine x du, which is 2x dx. Negative by negative is positive, so the next step will be negative x squared cosine x. This part will stay the same for to the end of the question or the answer, and negative by negative will be positive, the integral of 2x cosine x dx. Okay, the 2 will be a constant. We can let it outside the integral sign here, and then we will take this part, and I will imagine that I have a question, and we will solve in the next slide, which is 2x cosine x dx, the integral of 2x cosine x dx. We said that the 2 will be a constant, and we have x cosine x dx. To integrate this part by parts, again, we will let u here, we will let the u is the algebraic expression, which is x, and the derivative is 1, and once again dv is equal to cosine x, and the integral of this part at the left dv is v, and the integral of cosine x is it's a sine x, not negative. Yes, it's a sine x. And then here uv minus the integral of v du, and don't forget that this is one part of the question, one part of the answer, u is x and the v is sine x, and then the integral of v, which is sine x du, which is 1, right? 1 what? 1 dx, because when you find the derivative of u, it's du over dx, or you can cross it from here and put it to the other side, dx. So it's here, the du is the same as 1 dx, the du is 1 dx, which is here. So x sine x minus the integral of sine, which is positive, negative cosine times negative is positive cosine, and we will not put here c. Okay, but to write my final answer, I will return back to this slide and then write the final answer, negative x squared cosine x, then plus this answer here, which is x sine x cosine x. plus cosine x, and this all plus c. Okay guys? Okay. Next example, one more example.